sturdy like a Millie rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket, don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to rocket, it sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah, I still love my baby even when it's toxic. Crazy like she Britney, but no, she don't shade the noggin.
Josh is ready to do some wakeboarding?
Yeah.
So, what tips have you learnt already today?
Turn sideways.
Yeah.
Stop trying to go so forwards.
Hold on,
No board slide this
If
time.
you fall off, let go.
Don't like the matching colour combos. Look, the grey, the black. It's genius.
Jeez. Old shoes and everything.
Yeah. Fashion icon. Body, if you use your muscles, if you use your arms to pull it in, as you go around that corner, it will go really slack. And then when it starts to build its tension, you use your muscles to slowly release it out. That way it brings your board and just take your body.
That's the way I get along, stay in the pocket. I get paid and do my dance like a touchdown. Yeah, I can't do no time, don't leave that gun around. In my teens, we were acting up and running around. Now we're grown, still get to it if it's necessary. On the ground from January to January. Never met nobody who retired when they were young. So I guess I gotta get it to the cemetery. Getting paid just for rapping is fun. I lit up around the month of February.
Today, we're trying to hit the rooftop over there. What looks like a house roof. So far, I've made progress to get to the point. We've got to try and get down the other side now. Everyone needs to play Josh to get into wakeboarding and Hannah. They're going to get their own board. They're going to be down here with us 4 times a week. It's going to happen, isn't it? Hannah, you're down. You're the queen of laps, aren't you?
Yeah, one lap wouldn't it be?
Yeah, and Josh made it all the way around.
Oh God.
Especially because he was zoomed in. Right, anyway, peace out.
Is it zoomed?
The bank can never change, still wrote the change. Captain say the pay, this ain't the day. They made me wait, I'm breaking chains.